This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulb replacement. Make sure that the headlight switch and the ignition switch are both turned off. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Depress the tab and disconnect the bulb electrical connector. Rotate the headlight bulb counterclockwise, then withdraw it from the housing. Without touching the glass with your bare fingers, insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, aligning the tabs, then rotating the bulb clockwise until it stops. Connect the bulb electrical connector.